Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series preschool reader plus workbook English for prep KG suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 18. On this page children we are going to introduce the concept of singular and plural. Look at this children. Apple. There is only one apple, so this is singular. This is apple. Look at this children. These are more than one apple, so this is apples. We have to add s for plural. More than one apples are called plural. One apple and more than one apples are apples. Likewise children, bag, bags, bag, bags. Children, you have to write the word bag on these 4 lines by yourself, and then you have to write the word bags on these 4 lines by yourself. This is cat and these are cats. Cat, cats. Children, you have to write the word cat on these 4 lines by yourself, and then you have to write the word cats on these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this children. Egg. Listen again children. Egg. Look at this children. Eggs. Listen again children. Eggs. Children, now you have to write the word egg in between these 4 lines by yourself, and then you have to write the word eggs in between these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this children. Flower. Listen again children. Flower. Listen one more time children. Flower. Children, you have to write the word flower on these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this children. This is flowers. Listen again children. Flowers. Listen one more time children. Flowers. Children, now you have to write the word flowers on these 4 lines by yourself. Book. Listen again children. Book. Listen one more time children. Book. Children, we have to write the word book on these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this children. Books. Listen again children. Books. Children, we have to write the word books on these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this children. Lock. Listen again children. Lock. Listen one more time children. Lock. Children, you have to write the word lock on these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this children. Locks. Listen again children. Locks. Listen one more time children. Locks. Children, you have to write the word locks on these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this children. Key. Listen again children. Key. Children, you have to write the word key on these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this children. Keys. Listen again children. Keys. Children, you have to write the word keys on these 4 lines by yourself. Apple, apples, cat, cats, egg, eggs, flower, flowers, book, books, key, keys, lock, locks, key, keys.